Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are stepping into the ultimate expression of the Discovery lineup. This is the 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 44H. If you have been looking for the absolute big boy of diesel pushers, you are looking at it. This is a CARFAX one-owner coach with 64,000 miles. At 44 feet long and sitting on a heavy-duty TAG AXLE chassis, this rig is designed for the traveler who wants maximum stability, maximum space, and a level of luxury that rivals a high-end custom home. Take a look at this stunning profile. We are looking at Fleetwood's Champagne graphics package. This is a premium multi-stage full-body paint job. Notice how the metallic tones of the champagne and deep chocolate flow together. It is a sophisticated, timeless look that commands respect at any RV resort. There are no decals to worry about here. This automotive finish is built to last and has been beautifully maintained. As we walk the passenger side, you'll see the impact of 4 enormous slide-outs. When these are deployed, the interior square footage is simply massive. For your outdoor living, you've got the full suite of power awnings, including a large power patio awning and a power door awning to keep you dry as you enter. You also have protective slide toppers over every single slide out to keep your seals in top shape. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV, stereo, and integrated speakers. It is the perfect setup for catching the game while you're lounging under the awning. Throughout this tour, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the sheer scale of the Freightliner XCM chassis. Every detail on this LXE, from the sleek front cap to the integrated side view cameras, indicates that this was the flagship of the Fleetwood fleet. We're going to continue our walk around the rear to check out that 15,000-pound hitch and the TAG axle setup, before we move into the heavy-duty mechanical systems that make this 44H a true cross-country champion. This is a coach for those who refuse to compromise on quality or performance. Now let's talk about the foundation of this luxury machine. The 44H sits on the heavy-duty Freightliner XCM TAG AXLE chassis. Because you have that extra set of wheels in the back, you get incredible weight distribution, full air ride suspension, and full air brakes. If you've ever felt pushed by a crosswind or a passing semi-truck in a single-axle coach, you will be amazed at how planted and stable this TAG AXLE setup feels on the highway. Powering this 44-foot coach is the muscular Cummins ISL9 diesel engine. It produces 450 horsepower and a staggering 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. This is the powertrain you want for serious travel. It's paired with the Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission for smooth, reliable power delivery whether you're climbing a mountain pass or cruising the interstate. Looking at the storage bays, we have incredible pass-through basement compartments. And check this out. We have not one, but 2 heavy-duty slide-out storage trays. This makes it effortless to access your heavy gear from either side of the coach. For your utility systems, we have the gold standard, the AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system. This provides you with unlimited hot water and quiet, radiant furnace heat throughout the cabin without the dry, blowing air of a standard furnace. For power, we have a massive Onan 10-kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It is conveniently mounted on its own slide-out tray at the front for easy maintenance. You'll also find a 50-amp service on a power cord reel, a Magnum inverter charger, and a Dirt Devil central vacuum system with all the attachments. For the serious long hauler, having these systems, along with the 15,000-pound trailer hitch and the rear and side view camera system, means you can tow just about anything in total comfort. Rounding it all out are the automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, ensuring you are level and stable at the campsite with the push of a button. This is a system-heavy coach designed for the person who wants maximum performance and minimum effort during setup. Welcome inside the Discovery LXE. As we step through the front entrance, you can immediately feel the residential quality and the sheer scale of the 44H floor plan. The interior is bright and open, with high-end flooring and beautiful cabinetry that reflects that one-owner care. Because this is the LXE trim, you're getting upgraded finishes and lighting throughout the cockpit and entryway. It's a very grand entrance that sets the tone for the rest of this luxury oasis. Right here off the kitchen, we have the table dinette with chairs. This offers a much more residential and open feel than a traditional booth, providing a perfect spot for meals or as a workstation with a great view. Moving into the living room, you can see how those massive slide-outs create a sprawling lounge area. For seating, we have a giant pull-out sleeper sofa and a plush recliner. This area is perfectly positioned to enjoy the electric fireplace, which also provides additional heat. For entertainment, you have a massive 50-inch TV, plus a second 24-inch TV mounted above the cockpit seats, so no one misses the action. It is a fantastic social space that feels like a true living room in a custom home. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring an induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, and a huge stainless steel residential refrigerator. You've also got the dishwasher option and an extendable countertop that provides a massive amount of prep space. The solid surface counters and residential sink make this a very functional and beautiful space for preparing any meal on the road. Tucked just past the kitchen is the private half bathroom. This is a huge convenience for your guests, featuring its own toilet, sink, and vanity. Having this 1.5 bath layout ensures your master suite remains private, while guests have their own dedicated space during the day. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 44H features a king-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, offering plenty of walk-around space. You have a dedicated 42-inch TV back here, along with deep drawer storage and beautiful lighting. This is a quiet, comfortable sanctuary designed for a great night's rest, separated perfectly from the main living area. Prepare to be impressed because this is one of the largest bathrooms you will ever see in a motorhome. At the very back of the coach, we have a huge, full-width bathroom featuring an oversized walk-in tile shower enclosure with glass doors. You have a large vanity with a high-end sink, a toilet, and a power vent fan to keep the air fresh. But the real surprise is just past the bathroom, a massive walk-in rear closet. This closet features dedicated wardrobe storage, a built-in shoe rack, and the ultimate in road trip luxury, a stackable washer and dryer. Having these as separate units, not a combo, means you can wash and dry at the same time, making laundry day effortless. The sheer amount of storage and floor space in this rear bath and closet area is what truly sets the 44H floor plan apart from anything else on the road. It feels exactly like a master suite in a custom home, providing all the space and privacy you need for long-term travel. To recap, you are looking at a CARFAX one-owner TAG AXLE coach with only 64,000 miles. You're getting the massive 450 horsepower Cummins engine, the AquaHot system, and a 10-kilowatt generator. With 1.5 baths, a king bed, a dishwasher, a walk-in closet, and that stunning champagne full-body paint, this coach is fully loaded and ready for its next owner. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this virtual tour here at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping!